Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips by unboxing. This is my monthly tea subscription for the month of March. It does come with a card and it tells you all the teas and all their information, steeping times, all that good stuff. So let's take a look. The first tea, should be 4 of these if they're individual packets, is a lemon, ginger, and manuka honey. But that's really good. I also have some loose leaf tea bags for the loose tea, which would be right here. We have some Winter Earl Grey by David's Tea. Black tea, pink pepper, white tea, some natural flavoring, cornflower petals, bergamot oil. Pretty interesting. And then should be 4 of these as well. Organic Moringa Superfood Energy Tea, Oolong Grape Vanilla. Don't think I've had a grape vanilla before, so that's pretty cool. Very nice. There's also strawberry and vanilla in there as well. And the last one, Wakana. So it has cacao shells, goosa, I don't know how to say that, but it sounds interesting. So that's interesting. That one's organic. Let's see what it says on here. I did get a mix of caffeine-free, medium caffeine, super caffeinated, and high caffeine. And it tells you the steeping times. That's awesome. So I think I'm gonna dive into that one since that's caffeine free. I try to stay away from caffeine lately. So I'm going to try that one first. And yeah, if you guys would like a subscription to sign up, I will put all the information in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.